Sanibonani, igama lami uJobe K here. Orlando Pirates supporter. Igame namhlanje it was scrappy and also uAbongile Tom nearly spoiled that game. Igame yethu namhlanje because kunama decision that he could have done better. uNdlovu noMabuwe could have received red cards for violent conduct because lento le ukuthi umfana urile the moment urile makalele umfana bamgande intentional. That for me is a red card for me, offense. That's a violent conduct for me. I think and also equal police is questionable.
Yeah.
Very questionable there because I think for me that's not an offside because umfana ngathi utimile ama-runs wakhe because in modern football i-defensive line ne-opposition kuya nge-last man. So police I think bekatime i-run yakhe linesman at Chiefs, I think he played him on.
Yeah.
And that long ball when he came in, police, good first touch and good finishing. Very good. That's a striker's finish there.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, referee had to linesman had to disallow that for offside, and which is questionable indeed. And also, Ikeza Chiefs, they came into this game not having intention of winning this game. For me, Bebafuna it wrong.
Yeah.
They were only wrong because which they got it. Yeah, but and also side delay too. I felt like the pressure is shy more because we felt to if it draw is like a lose to us.
Yeah.
Because you never know what Sundowns can do in the next game. But I just had news with Sundowns just drawed.
Yeah, they played a not draw.
And now the league is open again.
Yes.
Now the league is open because now both these clubs, Badlala and team Lawa, a challenger for top 8, which is understandable. Now I understand why Richards play Ifuna Electro because they're challenging for top 8. Now I understand why Abo Lukunjana, because Abo Siwelele do not throw themselves in the conversation for top 8. Now I understand that, but just to get a game in the Urile, now police go off today. They went on song. Because every time when these two function, team don't function. Umbata naye
was not 100%.
He was not 100%. Namhlanje. He was not 100% today. And uMakaula naye completely off namhlanje. He let us down as well. Umuntu naye also let us down. Phambili uHotho.
Yeah.
Also now he let us down today. Also Nombutuma as well. Also let us down because there's some moments now Mbutuma could have done better because you far away from as a striker, you need to intercept every ball. And all time passes on my teammate because that you as a striker, you need to commit yourself there. Uchipi baller, ube one need. Fashions in net. And that's why it's about Brian Leon. You're the point of reference. One ball, Brian Leon, slide, sharp net. That's a clinical strike.
Yeah.
So Mutuma for me now, what type of a striker he is. You never know what type of a striker he is. That's why it's different with a striker now. The pressing machine, the hard work of the ball, movement, movement for himself, and also an area is very good. And also Mutuma I think saying I'm tall what type of a striker he is now. Saying I'm tall because he is striker let's create space for our police in Nabumrem. Nakakor. Uneza span, uneza amachiti span. Which is like something that like I'm feeling to understand why ama attackers work. Makor. Mara when Okor as a striker. I mean, we're chasing for the lead. You as a striker, just score Amakola crucial. Just score Amakola crucial. Yeah, na lapu create space. Yes, I understand, which is good thing. But Marana, he needs to score.
Yes.
He needs to score now.
Take his chances.
But take his chances. And also coming to the second half, I mean, coach Amasapo inexperience. That's a problem. The problem with Kokoshi is inexperience. Then let's play Gamakau. Unnecessary sub for me. Why Uton to Macau? Ufakune mtajeli. Like because that's why I always question with Usipombule ways. Because Umbule for me now, if Begangenil in this game, Umbule Beganzi plan. That's a difference. Urile canals of function. Police canals of function. Because Umbule every time when he gets the ball, the team don't get. They can even Umbule can even build up in congested areas. Basaka these two defensive midfielders Chiefs down. Babasaka down. And now Amakepa's over. And at the moment, Maka to 10 and Machita, they also switch. They look for Abohot or your Sibelebeles for me. And then he play for me. Because he's the top goal scorer. 11 goals, top goals this season, if I'm not mistaken. And in all competitions, Ugly Malagwa, yes, nathi silimazile.
Yeah.
Isilimazile ku-attack because ucoach what he could have done better ngale subplay ukuthi okay uTito don't put uTito mina ngamane ngimbeke lapha ngamane ngidonsa uFan Royal
Yes.
aphushe ku-right back lo mfana uStelebele push uStelebele phambili you're gonna be more threatening in attack bese more threatening in attack and now ufaka uTito and igame soyiqinile momentum yethu seyiqinile and now i-Chiefs what they saw ukuthi okay sharp umthetho ngiyamkhipha ngiyofaka lo mfana uMdu Shabalala because Umdu every time masifuna ukushaya transition like counter attack I'm gonna use this piece of Duba na this guy and then ulokunjana this guy Umodi na sometimes you use the case and it worked for them mabazo to the goal so now mabazo to the goal the Chiefs they have this mentality of okay we're gonna score in defense. That is why the difference between the Chiefs and Pirates the quality of both teams is that each is a defensive team is not like an Atletico Madrid type of team. The Pirates if I'm more or less like about Barcelona, your Bayerns, your PSGs, your Sundowns, they play more or less the same. That's why if you have Sundowns the Pirates you can see it makes football I can respect between both these two teams. Now it choose now ilama team lawa they rise to the occasion mabadlala nabo Makesi nabo CS Galaxy all that and then
options
aina NG but when it comes to ama team a challenger for top 8 you expect them some people expect them to lose and it can happen or sometimes back surprise a good okay sharp back win ingak surprise yabo so now it choose now umuntu engifuna umsingela out namhlanje goalkeeper I'll keep her for me because if it doesn't for that guy, now I'm saying I understand why my friends are too many mistakes, too many high school mistakes. But aside the league is still open. The league is very still open, and issue right now. We've got 2 tough away matches. In my case, in our mobile relegation, Stellenbosch very tough, very very tough. Now, ETS Galaxy now they also want to prove themselves against the Sundowns because I need Barcelona. Now they want to prove themselves. ETS Galaxy they pull up on the challenge for top 8. Now they might also want to do something against the Sundowns. But Sundowns now eventually they can find a way to win because I try all Peter Mokam. I try it, but the league is also open and we can't lose hope. In terms of issue, we can't lose hope.
Thanks for